Hello guys, to AWCP organization. AWC organization will have to provide institute management portal. Just come on login page. Here mention user ID and password. After login this page is showing dashboard. Here is mention institute name and here is director name and logo. Also you have checked the profile here and you can come on dashboard and also you check change the password. Here is showing total student, total inquiries, and total fees what you receive. And here is the ATC certificate as issued by us. Here is quick links mentioned. Quick links you go to the quickly and click the button and use this function. And left side is showing these buttons. First is showing user list. Here is user list of all student you have added in. Once you add the admission, this showing here a student list and user ID and password. Suppose here is mentioned user ID and password. You can change this the user ID and password. So you can see this here user ID and password. After here is also mentioned courses. I have total 50 courses are available in this portal. Here is mentioned 50 courses. If any courses are not available, you can connect with me and explain me the courses. I will add you also. My team also help for this. And here is assigned courses. Assigned courses is like this. Suppose your student is doing a basic computer course. After student is saying ki we need to add tele courses also. I need tele courses also. So you can add assigned courses and go to assigned courses and click here is a student name and here is mentioned courses. So you can assign quickly. So after assign the courses, a student will take both courses in a student portal. I will show you the student portal after this. Here is showing a student is showing inquiry. If you take the inquiry of your students, you can here is showing all students inquiries, and after inquiry you can take the list also. So here is not an inquiry. After take the inquiry, you can fill the form and submit. Inquiry list will generate here. Also mention admission button here. Admission button you can quickly add the all student. Here is a student name, father name, mother name, and DOB is mandatory fields. And exam center. Exam center is suppose you have 2 and 3 branches in your area, so you can mention here is the Vinayanagar, Faridabad, Haryana. You can mention. You can mention Syam Colony, Faridabad, Haryana. This type you can mention here. This field also show in your certificate. So just fill carefully, and after you can add the student and father photos and mother photos. All are available fields here. You can add if documents are available with our students. After you can show the student list here. A student list, all student here is mentioned. If you added here, you also mention user ID and password. So you can provide to a student. And here is also option of user ID generation. If you generate the ID card of this student, just click of 3 student. If you need, click the ID card. ID card will generate automatically. All information are showing here. And you have 2 and 3 type designs are available. 4 types. Design 2 is available here. Vertical, horizontal are available here. 3 is also available. Horizontal, vertical, photos, and other information. This types are available. 3 and 4 type of designs are available. So you can quickly generate ID card also in this portal. Just come on the next button. Here is showing accounts group. This is the account button is showing payment. You can add the student. After you can manage the fees from my from our portals. Here is the mode are available, which date you have received this payment and which mode you have received the payment. After student show here, or let's just fill this, select the one student. Students, what is the fee showing? Due amount is showing here. If you have any discount give to the student, just mention here, and paid amount here mention, and remarks which one is collected, and remarks mention. After you submit, a student list will payment list is also available this time. Receipt number, everything is available here. So you can manage fees in our portal easily. You can, if you check the one a student ledger, just come on the ledger. A student ledger is showing, suppose R3 signing is filter this. Here is showing what is the course assigned and what is the fees payment is pending. The balance is showing here. You can take the print and give to student. Okay. And here is showing ATC ledger. ATC ledger, this ledger you have which payment you have sent to me for exam. Here is showing the list of you have these courses you have provided the payment to me, and transaction number this data on amount is here. So you can, all information are available in portal. Just go to button and view this details. After complete the student timelines, suppose 6 month courses is done, just come on the apply for exam button. Apply button is showing here all list which courses are, suppose basic courses a student are for exam start. So you can come on select the basic courses and filter this. So after a student are highlighted here, so you can add this student and apply for here. ठीक है here. After applied, payment will done. Just send a request to me for this. Here you know any student. So after apply this button, use this button. He is already applied. So just click the apply button and fill the payment. After payment has submitted, our team will check and approve. And after approve, a secret code has been generated. Secret code generated, you can secret can give to a student, and after secret code a student take the exam finally. So here are also mention button of offline exam. Offline exam you can also give from our portal. Suppose shorthand exam, typing tutor exam, this is shorthand, this is offline exam, so you can take generate also this exam from our portal. Here is showing result. So what is result after exam is showing, just filter this courses and will show here what is the exam are passing. Suppose which date you have take the exam. So here is mentioned which time, which date is mentioned, and what is the marks is coming. Why is fail is showing for below 40 will uh, below 40 is coming fail. So here you mentioned 70-75%. So this type. Suppose person has some student has failed. So you can re-exam option also available. Just click on the re-exam option and select the mode online offline and take take the payment of small amount and attach this transaction number and save. After save, you can student can take the next exam for the same courses. So that is the exam process. After exam has been completed, a certificate automatically generated in our system. Select the courses which certificate you need to generate. So here is showing percentage, courses and grade and certificate number. This certificate number also mentioned in certificate. Suppose click here. Here is showing certificate. Here this is a certificate. You can first time you can select here A4 size and click here the background option. After will call the after will come automatically set this certificate and print it. So this certificate this certificate we have searched in our portal also. Suppose you can search this certificate, just come on certificate verification, just uh, paste the certificate number and search this. After search, the student name and course are available here. If this student had a course with us, so you can verify our certificate with our website. Next is coming here, appreciation certificate. Suppose uh, you have some uh, you have some any provide the award certificate and some program certificate, so you can generate here. This is the option. You can select the student, and here you can mention what type of appreciation certificate is provided to them. So you can mention here and save. Certificate automatically generate. Just issue date is also mentioned, which type of appreciation certificate is showing, and student name, all are mentioned. Here is two type of certificate will show here. You can take a student which type you give to them. First is horizontal certificate is view here. You can take your certificate, not our certificate. You can take your certificate also to a student. Here is suppose student Mahalakshmi is showing. Okay, you can give this adjust here and can set the same process A4 and background. Okay, and after you can generate the certificate. Okay, here is two type of certificate. Second, horizontal. Okay, also available. The same certificate is available here. So just come on this, and two type you have generated certificate. Same process you can use for the self certification. Self certification you can come here, select the courses. Suppose here is the courses. You can generate your certificate also in our portal. Here is your certificate view here. Same name, courses, degree, percentage, and certificate issue date all are mentioned here. Okay, the same need to have two type of certificate has been generated here. Okay, horizontal and vertical you can check and generate the certificate. Okay, study materials are also available here. Okay, you can take the certificate material also from our portal. Then after he is completed the branch portal,